Hello students, I am Dr. Animese from Allied Health Science Department. In the last video, I have given the introductory lecture on skeletal system. In this video, I will describe the histological structure of skeletal system. Mainly, according to shape of the bones, skeleton is divided into mainly four types: long bones, short bones, flat bones, and irregular bone. Long bone is typically longer than wide. It has a shaft with heads at both ends. These ends are very much important to connection for the connection between another long bones or other bone types. It contains mostly compact bone, for example, femur and humerus. If we go through the anatomy of the long bone structure, we can see a long bone structure is divided into two parts: compact bone and spongy bone. The outside structure of the long bone is compact in nature, whereas inside structure is porous. Why? Because in the inside structure there are the presence of different types of cells which are located all over the tissue pattern. In case of spongy bone surface, a central canal is located. This central canal is also called Haversian canal. The main significance of this canal is to deliver the blood circulation, nerve connections, and medullary cavity. It contains bone marrow. Surrounded by this central canal, a specific radius structure is developed. A single layer of this radius is called lamellae. In single form, this is called lamellas, and in plural, this is called lamellae. Multiple layers of lamellae are surrounded by this central canal. If we go through this internal view of this lamellae, it consists of the main bone cell osteocyte. For a note, our skeletal system or bone tissue consists of three types of cells: osteocyte, osteoblast, and osteoclast. In the following videos, we can describe the overall structure of this long bone histology. The lamellar structure is the main constituent of bone tissue. This lamellae is the area of entrapment for osteocytes. Two osteocyte cells are connected together using a stretch of Canaliculus. In plural, it is called Canaliculi. Therefore, osteocytes are connected together to form a fibrous network-like structure. So, the overall structure of, of each lamellae are constructed by osteocytes. Osteocytes are connected with lacuna and canaliculi. What is the difference between lacuna and canaliculi? Lacuna is the structural part where osteocyte is entrapped. Each of the osteocyte is entrapped. After entrapment of the osteocytes within the lacuna, a spread of network are developed in between the lacuna, two lacuna, which are called canaliculi in single canaliculus. Thus, a overall structural development of a system which is surrounded by a central canal. This central canal or Haversian canal form a 3 to 4 or multiple layers of lamellae. Therefore, again I repeat, at the central region there is a presence of Haversian canal or central canal. Central canal is surrounded by multiple layers of lamellae. What is lamellae? Lamellae is the area where a stretch of osteocyte cells are entrapped. The entrapped region is called lacuna. These lacunas are connected together with the help of canaliculi. And the overall system, which is developed by the surrounding movement of the Haversian system, Haversian canal, is called Haversian system. Therefore, Haversian system consists of number of layers which are called lamella. Within this lamella, the multiple number of osteocytes are entrapped within the lacuna. These lacuna are interconnected with the help of canaliculus, and the overall system is called Haversian system. Another part which is not included within the central Haversian system is Volkman's canal or perforating canal. Perforating or Volkman's canal is the interconnection between two Haversian systems. Therefore, this is very much important. A single Haversian system is connected with another Haversian system with the help of Volkmann's canal. And these are the areas of circulation of blood, both for central Haversian canal and Volkmann canals are the area of circulation of blood. This is the overall structure of the long bone histology. Again, I repeat the following terms in a brief way. Central canal, which is the location of blood circulation, is called Haversian canal or central canal. This Haversian canal is surrounded by multiple layers of lamellae. Here we can find 3 lamellae. Each of the lamellae is the area of entrapment of osteocyte cell, which are the main constructing cell for bone tissue. The osteocytes are entrapped within the lacuna. Each of the lacuna is interconnected with the help of canaliculus, and thus a Haversian system is developed. A single Haversian system is interconnected with the help of another Haversian system by the help of Volkman's canal. This is the overall histological structure of a long bone, and this topic is very much important for your final exam. The main question maybe come from this area. Write a short note on histological structure of long bone, where you have to put a simplified diagram and have to mention the following terms: Haversian system, lacuna, osteocyte, lamella, canaliculus, Volkmann's canal, etc. In the next video, we will discuss about the other parts of the long bones and short bones, flat bones, and other types of bones briefly. Thank you.